Wedding.
Released 1981, directed by Carlos Saura.
La Belle.
Released 1983, directed by Ettore Scola.
Carlos Saura Dance Trilogy, Part 3, El Amor Brujo.
Released 1986, directed by Carlos Saura.
Carmen.
Released 1983, directed by Carlos Saura. Disco Dancer.
The In Crowd.
Released 1988, directed by Mark Rosenthal. The In Crowd, 30 of 46 30-plus pre-period films with a 1960s aesthetic. 108 of 108, the best dance movies ever made. 189 of 259, the greatest teen movies of the 1980s.
Valley Girl.
Valley Girl.
Xanadu.
Xanadu.
Wild Style.
Wild Style.
Tap.
Released 1989, directed by Nick Castle.
The Blues Brothers.
Released 1980, directed by
That's Dancing.
Released 1985, directed by Jack Haley Jr. More That's Dancing. 21 of 24, the best breakdancing movies. 29 of 40, the best Gene Kelly movies. 28 of 101, the best G-rated documentary movies.
Perfect.
Released 1985, directed by James Bridges.
Moonwalker.
Released 1988, directed by Will Vinton, Jim Blashfield, Jerry Kramer, Colin Chilvers.
Grease 2.
Released 1982, directed by Patricia Birch.
Dancers.
Released 1987, directed by Herbert Ross.
A Chorus Line.
Released 1985, directed by Richard Attenborough. More Chorus Line. 89 of 192, the best movies about music. 32 of 35, the very best classic musical movies. Rank.
Salsa.
Released 1988, directed by Bose Davidson.
Body Rock.
Released 1984, directed by Marcelo Epstein. Can't Stop the Music.
Beat Street.
Released 1984, directed by Stan Laffin.
White Nights.
Released 1985, directed by Taylor Hackford.
Breakin 2, Electric Boogaloo.
Breakin 2, Electric Boogaloo.
Breakin.
Breakin.
Hairspray.
Released 1988, directed by John Waters.
Staying Alive.
Staying alive.
Fast forward.
Released 1985, directed by Sidney Poitier.
Fame.
Released 1980, directed by Alan Parker Moore. Fame 224 of 1189, every Oscar-winning film ever. 576 of 836, the greatest chick flicks ever made. 182 of 356, the best musical movies of all time.
Urban Cowboy.
Urban Cowboy.
Girls just want to have fun.
Girls just want to have fun. Flashdance.
Footloose.
Footloose.
Dirty Dancing.
Dirty Dancing.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.